Hey guys, this is Mr. Sal. We're going to look at a few problems with multiplication and division of integers. And on this first one, it is multiplication. And in any of these cases, we're only dealing with two numbers at a time. So what we're going to do is look at the two numbers first and identify how many negatives we have. So there's one there and one there. That's two negatives. Since it's an even number of negatives, the answer we know will be a positive. So I'm going to put the plus there so I can just pretty much ignore those negatives from now. And then I just focus on 3 times 4. Now 3 groups of 4 would be 12. So my final answer there would be the 12, and I know it's positive. So that would be the answer. For this one though, this one is division, but the concept still remains. How many negatives do we have? We have only this one negative, so since that's the case, 1 is odd. Therefore, I know my answer is a negative. After that, I'm really just looking at 30 divided by 3. 3 goes into 3 once. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract that, and we'll drop to 0. How many times does 3 go into 0? 0. So the answer to the division is 10. But once again, we can see that the answer will include the negative, which we discovered earlier. So the final answer to this one is just negative 10. For this problem, it's going to work the same way. We just need to figure out how many negatives there are first. And we have the one there and this one here. So right away I can see that my answer, since there's two negatives, 2 is even number of negatives. So therefore I know my answer is a positive, and I'll just write that up here so I don't forget. After that, it's straight division. That looks like 16,114. And we're going to divide that by 7. So 7 won't go into 1, but it will go into 16 2 times. 2 times 7 is 14. We'll subtract that 2 remaining out of that one. Then we'll drop the 1 to make that 21. 7 will go into 21 3 times. 3 times 7 is exactly 21. So that's 0 remaining on that one, so we'll drop this 1 here. 7 won't go into the 1. But when we drop the 4, it will go into it as 14. 7 will go into 14 2 times. And 2 times 7 is 14. So we have 0 remaining on this one. So the final answer, that's positive. We remember it's positive. And that's 2,302. And that would be our final answer for this one. Alright, that'll do it for those 3 problems. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope that was helpful for you. And we'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.